Susan, Sing Sang Tai Tai Liho. I am Meridel B. Villaver and I am from Philippines. I am married to my loving husband and happily living with my 2 children. My oldest daughter is 20 years old and my youngest son is 18 years old. In terms of education, I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and reading books. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong 4 years and 3 months. I started working in my last employer on September 20, 2019 until December 15, 2023. And my former employer, I served 2 couple and 1 child, which was 3 years old. My household duties and my employer were cleaning the house, taking care of the child, cooking and walking, and taking care of their pet dog. I want to work in Hong Kong because I need to earn money for my family's financial need. I need to support my children's education and my husband's medical needs. Also, people in Hong Kong are known to be kind and friendly. Also, adding my skills as an experienced domestic helper, I can and I am willing to take care of a newborn baby. I can also sing nursery song like Twinkle, 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 Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate. I assure you that I am very responsible in my duties in cleaning the house and take care of the child. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and very respectful. I can also cook simple Chinese food and I am willing to learn more. I promise that if you choose me, I will do everything and follow all the rules that you will set. Thank you and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.